Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're camping again. Will we survive the wilderness? Probably. Will I get attacked by mosquitoes? Definitely. But today, we're doing camping adventures, campfire food, exploring, and maybe even some survival skills. Let's go. Nature, I'm ready for you. And if I disappear, check near the snack bag. First thing to do is get the tent set up. Now the tent setup is done, now we're setting up the bunk bed.
Hello, Arya.
I don't want to. We also have another tent set up.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia.
So we have used the Skyride to get to the top of Stone Mountain, and it started thunderstorming. So we had to make a makeshift tent for shelter. And that's our makeshift tent.
All my memories gather round her, miner's lady, stranger to blue water, dark and dusty, painted on the sky, misty taste of moonshine, teardrop in my eye. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama.
We just came back from our thunderous skyride to find out that most of our food was eaten by squirrels. So it rained a lot and all of our firewood is now wet. So we need to find some trick to get this firewood dried out and get some fire going for the night.
Hi guys, so as you know it's raining a lot and we came back from the skyride and our food is eaten by squirrel. So we have a backup option as always. We are going to go with mac and cheese and cup noodles because that's the way it is now.
All the chairs, hammock and the firewood is now completely soaked and wet. But we are going to get some fire going pretty soon.
Yeah, it's insane, but fun to camp in the rain.
It has been going pretty well. Are you excited, Neil?
Yes. Actually like the rain, so this is perfect. Just not very ideal for camping, but if you have the right mindset, you'll be able to push through it.
Excellent. Well, are you excited, I'm asking?
Yes.
So we are just getting rain on for last few hours. All the camping gear is completely drenched. The pop-up tent to the rescue.
We moved the fire right there so that it wouldn't get put out by the rain.
So fire is still burning pretty good so far. We'll see how long that lasts.
So we moved the fire from here to right there so that it wouldn't get put out by the rain, and it's working pretty well. Camping rule number 1, protect your food items. An NPC squirrel came along and ate all our food, so we were left with mac and cheese and ramen. It still tasted good, but make sure to always protect your food items so no NPCs come and eat them. I wanted to talk about my mountain outing. I did see a funnel cloud on the outing, which, fun fact, if a funnel cloud does manage to touch the ground, it becomes a tornado. Even though there was a funnel cloud, we pushed through, made a makeshift tent, and just chilled, had some fun. Good morning. It was downpouring last night, but we pushed through and made it. Now it's time for some breakfast.
So it's the campfire time again with the wet wood. We are using the paper napkin as our tinder. And thankfully we had some lighter fluid as a backup, so hopefully the wet wood is going to light up. We'll see.
NPC squirrels detected.
And duckling.
Yes. I don't think this is the one main character from yesterday that destroyed our food. That was a fat one. Oh, look at this. Hello.
Looks like the fire's taking shape. Hey guys, so I have an owl story. This time I didn't hear it, I didn't see it, but guess who saw it? My parents, right behind me. When they tried to wake me up, I wouldn't budge. When I finally woke up, I was not aware of what I was doing, and then I said, "Why is there a fire truck here?" because I was dreaming about fire trucks, and then I went back to sleep.
So guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you?
1500.
Guys, I just realized something. Anytime I ask Aria something, she always says no. Here, have a look. Aria, do you want to feed the geese?
No.
Do you want to go to the pool?
No.
Do you want to play a game?
No.
Do you want to go to the park?
No.
Do you want some ice cream?
Can I have something?
See, I tricked you. I'm going to show you what's in my dad's camping bag. The best part is, all of these camping utilities can fit in this one small bag. Make sure you always have adult supervision when you want to work with these things. Like in this case, my dad is recording this video. Hi Dad.
Hello Neil.
This first compartment is all about wood chopping. There's an axe, some gloves, an axe sharpening stone, and a saw. The second compartment has some assorted utilities in it. A paracord, a whistle with the carabiner, here's how it sounds, a charging cable, a knife, and an emergency thermal blanket. The third compartment has all fire starting utilities. A ferro rod with a striker and a paracord with a whistle. A butane gas lighter. An electric USB lighter. And some matches.
Hi everyone. So we are doing our lunch now. As you know, last night some squirrels got into our food supplies and we had to throw a lot of it away. So as a backup option, we have some rice, which is lemon cilantro rice, and some really nice lentils. We'll be having some butter naan and some ribs, which is salsa and a spinach dip. And for Arya, we'll have a nice peanut butter sandwich.
It has been raining non-stop. Now this beach tent, thankfully we're carrying this, so it's coming very handy. And this pop-up tent, that's another thing. So all of our gear is inside now. Karishma is in this tent hiding, and it's completely drenched. It's raining everywhere, and it's just us in this entire campsite.
If it rains at an angle, you can use a tarp for shelter.
This is how you can nap on a camping chair. That's for real. How many bags of chips did you eat today?
4.
4? Are you excited?
How many times have we told you that I've said that I'm excited? 13 million times.
What was
Wait, can I say that this wasn't my fault? The bag just collapsed on its own. The bag just collapsed with all the water.
How
There
many
was
did
too
you
much
eat?
water.
4? Are you excited 4 times? Time for another campfire. So again, We're using some paper napkins as a tinder and some lighter fluid and some chopped wood. We'll be using our USB lighter this time. Let's see how that works. Most of the wood is still wet, so we'll see. I hope it stays. We're using this as a fire fan. It has been helping quite a bit if it starts smoking.
As if owl spotting wasn't enough, here's turtle spotting.
Right here. Hello.
Hello, Dada.
I found this common box turtle on the road, and now I'm gonna put it back in its habitat.
Something's happening. Can we make it last? I won't forget this moment. The day is going fast. I've never seen a sunset like this before. One long cloud sleeping in the valley, and the heaven that I see belongs to you and me. So much better than a picture on the wall. And it's not your summer blue, and it's not your winter green. It's more like emerald. It's been waiting for our hearts to fall, so we would see it all. So much better than a picture on the wall. And we'll never see a sunset like this again. Tomorrow it could rain and thunder down, followed by the steam and the trickling little stream. So much better than a picture on the wall.
3 nights of camping and surviving the rain. What started as a fun camping trip turned into a full outdoor adventure. Over 3 nights, we dealt with lots of rain, sneaky squirrels stealing our food, and changing plans on the fly. But that's what made the trip unforgettable. We had awesome campfires, tons of snacks, spotted a real owl at night, watched fireworks, and even hosted our friends' family for the adventure. When the rain hit hard, we built a makeshift tent on top of Stone Mountain and learned why having a backup plan is super important while camping. It's important to have backup food too. Like in our case, our food was eaten by infamous squirrels. We also discovered some really handy camping gear and survival tricks along the way. Even with soggy weather and hungry squirrels, this trip turned out to be one epic memory. Mission status: wet but successful. See you in the next adventure.
Thank you for watching.